Hello everyone, welcome to day 25 of 30 days LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to solve rotate image problem which involves rotating a given n by n 2D matrix by 90-degree clockwise. For solving this problem, we have to use in-place algorithm. So in the first example, you can see we have a 3 by 3 matrix where the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the output, you can see the image is rotated by 90 degree in clockwise direction. To solve this problem, first we will transform the matrix. For transpose, we will swap 2 and 4, 3 and 7, and 6 and 8. After transform, you can see on the screen that our rows are converted into columns. And after that, to get the output, we have to reverse each row to achieve 90-degree rotation. So these are the two steps that we need to involve to solve the problem. The first, that we need to transpose the matrix, and second, we need to reverse each row. So by keeping these steps in mind, let's start coding. So first, we will declare variable n, which will store matrix.length. Then for transpose the matrix, we'll have a for loop which will iterate from I is equal to 0 till I is less than n. And inside that for loop, we will have another for loop which will iterate from j is equal to I plus 1 till j is less than n. And now we will swap our element. So we'll have variable temp and we will store matrix I comma j, and then inside the matrix of I comma j we will store j comma ith value, and after that at j comma I we will store temp value. And now to reverse the each row, we'll have for loop which will again iterate from I is equal to 0 to I is less than n. And we will have a variable row, and then left which is equal to 0 and right which is equal to n minus 1. Then we will have a loop which will iterate till left is less than right. And inside the we will swap the left element with the right element. So we'll again use the same logic which we used above. And after that we will increment our left pointer and decrement the right pointer. And that's it. Let's check if everything looks fine. I think it looks fine, so let's try to run the code. And it's working. The rotation is performed in place, which means no additional space for the separate matrix is used. The time complexity of this code is big of n to the power 2, where n is number of rows in the matrix. I hope you understood the solution. That's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!